Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the monitor for safety. This prevents shorts and lets capacitors discharge. Next, inspect the power and video cables closely for bent pins or frays because a damaged cable commonly causes sleep issues. Once done, reconnect a known good HDMI or DisplayPort cable and set the monitor input to the matching port. Make sure the computer isn't in deep sleep. Wake it with the keyboard or mouse so you can verify a signal immediately. You then move to settings because many sleeping problems are software-driven. Open power options and change sleep and display turn-off timers. Disable deep sleep or fast startup temporarily so the monitor gets a continuous handshake. Update or reinstall your graphics driver. Drivers manage signal protocols and can drop output if corrupt. If the problem persists, connect the monitor to another laptop or use another monitor on your PC to isolate whether the GPU, cable, or monitor is at fault. To finish, reset the monitor to factory defaults because custom settings can interrupt signal negotiation. You want a known baseline. Then check for firmware updates from the manufacturer. Firmware fixes communication bugs between monitor and GPU. Make sure to use the correct model firmware. If the monitor still sleeps, swap the power adapter or plug into a different outlet to rule out power delivery problems. Troubleshooting tip. If it goes black but wakes occasionally, test with a different monitor or GPU to pinpoint the failing component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.